How to unhide apps on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to unhide apps on your Android device. So let's just jump right in without any further delay. So the first thing you want to do is access your hidden apps. There are some ways to access it. So what you can do is first go over to settings, then find your home screen settings here, tap on home screen, scroll down until you find hide apps on home and app screens. Now, if you don't see that option, you can just pinch out of it, go to add settings from here and find the same option. In many cases, it might be different. So in order to access your hidden apps, you might have to pinch in or zoom in on your home screen to find the private space. I'll just go over to my home screen settings now and then find hide apps on home and app screen. And currently I have one hidden app that is Pinterest. And in order to remove it, you can press the minus icon right on the top left corner of the app and it will be now removed. Tap on done and the app will no longer be hidden on your home screen. So if I go over here, I'm able to find Pinterest right here, so I can just bring it to my home screen and it's no longer hidden. That's how you unhide your apps on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.